So I'm going to upgrade the drive in this computer. It's a 256 gigabyte drive. So I'm going to upgrade this drive to a 512 gigabytes. So this is the drive that I'm going to upgrade it to. As you can see, it's 512 gigabytes. So I'm going to be using this enclosure. I'm going to be using it as an external USB drive. I bought this enclosure from Amazon. So I connected the enclosure to the USB port, and now I'm going to clone the internal drive with the external USB SSD drive. I'll open File Explorer. I'll click on this PC. So these are the two drives here. This is the internal default C drive. This is the external USB drive. So I'm going to copy the C drive to the E drive. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to format the external drive. I'll right click the drive, click on Format. So the format is complete. So I'm going to download this software to clone the drive. This is a free software. It's called Disk Genius. This is the site. I'll click download. I'll click on the exe file. I'm going to install the software. I'll click finish here. So it creates an icon on the desktop. So on the left side, you can see the two drives. One is 256 and the other is 512 gigabytes. So on top, I'm going to select Tools. And I'll click on Clone Disk. So here you have to select the source. So the source is the C drive, which is 256 gigabytes. I select that. I click OK. So it gives you an option here. Would you like to use system migration? No. I just want to clone the drive. So I'm going to select no here. So here I have to select the target disk. And this is the external hard drive that is connected via USB. I select that. Click OK. This is the default C drive here, and this is the target disk. So the target disk is bigger and there's a lot of free space. I want to drag this all the way to the right side, and I'm going to eliminate the free space. So it's going to look like this. Here you want to select copy all files, and also here you want to leave this checked, prevent system from sleeping during execution. So everything looks good, and you can see here, this is the source disk. I'm going to click Start. Gives you a warning. I'm going to click OK. So on this page, I'm going to select Hot Migration. So it's cloning the disk right now. So it depends on how much data you have on your C drive. That is how long it's going to take to copy. So the cloning is complete. It took about 14 minutes, 45 seconds. I'm going to close Disk Genius. So now I'm going to shut down the computer and I'm going to install the drive that was cloned, which is the E drive. So I'm rebooting the computer with the clone drive. So I'm going to log in. So I'm going to check the drive. I'll open up this PC. This is the 512 gigabytes drive. So everything is working. So I want to thank you for watching and I thank you for subscribing.